Have you heard of Six Sigma and DMAIC? Six Sigma is a process improvement system that helps businesses reduce defects and improve processes. DMAIC is the problem-solving methodology used within Six Sigma projects. Six Sigma focuses on reducing defects and variation in processes. By measuring customer requirements, you can determine how well your processes are meeting these requirements. The probability of creating a defect can be estimated and translated into a Sigma level. Six Sigma is considered by some to be a world-class level of quality, however, we do not recommend using this as your goal. Instead, use the DMAIC process to improve from a current condition to a target condition and keep improving. DMAIC is a systematic methodology for improving processes. It includes 5 phases: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Within the phases, teams use tools such as process mapping, Ishikawa diagrams, Pareto analysis, design of experiments, and many more. By using DMAIC, you can define the problem, measure the defects, analyze the data, improve the process, and control the process to prevent defects from recurring. It's a powerful problem-solving approach. If you're interested in learning more about Six Sigma and DMAIC, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us. We're happy to help you improve your processes.